This experiment aims to find out the relationship between pressure and temperature of a fixed mass of gas at a constant volume. Plug a pressure sensor and temperature sensor into the holes of the stopper. Then, connect the sensors to a data logger interface. Wrap a flask with cotton wool. Then, put it in a laboratory oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Take out the flask from the oven. Stopper the flask with the stopper. Seal all the joints with adhesive tape to prevent gas leakage. Start the data logging program to record the pressure and temperature of the gas inside the flask. Note the PT graph recorded. What can you deduce from the graph?